Good morning, it is Sunday. The clocks went back last night, so we've got an extra hour, so I woke up really early for no reason. I didn't go out in the end last night, but everyone else did. I didn't hear them get in, but I woke up at 7 and Jack was just stood in the all-females dorm in his boxers with his shorts on the floor, so I'm not quite sure what's happening here, but I think he probably just got back at 7 AM and didn't realise where he was. But we're just with a couple of girls from the room. We're going to get brekkie. I'm going to go get that avocado smash thing again, because that's all I want right now. And then at some point today we're going to get the bus back to Santiago, because I need to go shopping to get some new leggings. And I might throw away my jeans. Who knows? Wait, have you passed it? She's going to write on the wall. She's going to add to it. You want to think of a good quote? Let me have a look, because I have heaps of quotes that I've saved, because I'm an unmotivational person and sometimes a good quote is everything I need in life.
Did you rehearse that?
No. Life becomes more meaningful when you realise the simple fact that you'll never get the same moment twice.
Oh. I was going to say, there's no time to be bored in a world as beautiful as this.
That one is a good one. I agree. Let me try and find one.
Where are we going to write? Here?
Oh, she's doing it. She's doing it quite big as well. There's no place like home. She clicks her heels.
A world as beautiful as this?
See. We're off again, off travelling, taking the box of Cheerios. We're getting a Uber to the bus station and then a bus to Santiago, so we'll see you there.